everybody, it's me, Miss Footfix. So we have this lovely patient that I saw 2-3 years ago for a nail infection, and he used everything, bleach, oregano. Did you use oregano?
Oregano oil from Greece, like the proper one. I've used every disinfectant you can think of.
And which was okay, but I think it was causing more harm than anything else. But actually, it did work for his toe. This toe did not look right before, but now it's obviously a nice intact toe. So what we're doing today is we're going to actually clip the nail back and just test if there's any active fungal infection. Meanwhile, he's giving us these wonderful dates that he's going to talk about, and we're going to eat these dates, maybe in front of you guys, after I treat this his feet.
Is it full of fiber?
Yeah.
You see? So your body will not have that glucose rush eventually when it's metabolized.
Okay.
You see people in the Sahara Desert, they're extremely fit, extremely energetic, very, very fit, very slim and strong.
Yes.
And all they eat is actually this these days, and believe it or not, camel milk.
Camel milk?
Yes.
Have you had camel milk before?
I had it. The first time you have it, it will give you an extreme diarrhea. It will clean your system. It's extremely beneficial. Doesn't have that casein and all those harmful substances you get with cow milk, for example.
Okay.
So it's very light, much lighter than cow milk.
Okay. Is it more water? Surprisingly, because do they drink a lot of water? I guess they do.
No, you know that camels can go forever without. That's why they call them the ships of the desert or something like that. So you see, they go for thousands of kilometers without eating or drinking.
Oh.
It's a miracle everything is a miracle of some sort.
Yes.
We are miracles. Our microbiome is a miracle. But if you haven't really seen camels in action in the desert, you don't know what you're missing. Algeria in North Africa has the largest Sahara Desert in the world.
Yes.
It is the largest country in Africa. Just something else, You'll taste these and you'll see. You won't find them in Harrods. You won't find them in Selfridges or anywhere else.
Are they trying to import it in?
They don't know how to bloody export. I try to raise the profile for but Algerians are not. They're hard workers, but they're really not very good at marketing. They're not as what's the word? They're not as slick as it. I set up a family company in technical products procurement in Algeria, so we work with a lot of EPCs and
what's EPCs?
Engineering, procurement, and construction companies. Like the people who do the large infrastructure projects.
Yeah.
They call them like either big dams or big highways, oil companies, power stations. These kind of companies, they're very, very large multinationals usually.
Yes.
And they work all.
I'm gonna file these out. I'm probably gonna change this too.
And I recommend this lady highly. She's extremely professional. And I mean it.
He means it. Not because he just gave me dates.
No. I'm a very research-oriented guy, and I choose the people I work with extremely carefully.
Yay! I remember you were teaching me a few things. Well, we were having a conversation, and then you knew so much about it. It was good.
Yeah,
this one is really.
And this is one of your qualities. You listen and you can say, I didn't know that. Yeah. I'm gonna find out more about it. Yeah. And this is the way development happens.
Of course.
It's called cross-fermentation or cross-pollination. It happens.
Exactly.
Engineers work with the biologists, and they come up with a solution that a biologist would never have thought of.
Yeah.
It's
very smart. I agree with you.
Yeah.
Like if you, I remember I forgot what you told me, but I did look into it. I think I did a lot of research after I met you. Which is...
Research is the most important thing,
Do you have a doctorate? I feel like you do.
I have a master's degree, but you know, I am I worked as a software engineer. I used to code, so you know, software engineers are are really, they're glorified coders. This is what they are. You know,
Will somebody get mad when you say that to them online on YouTube?
Well, some people have big egos and they like to be called software engineers, you know. But at the end of the day, what you are.
If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.